Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi REDMI Note 11, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn on the phone, you need to press the power key button on the right side for a few seconds. But if you get here the open it Google Assistant, like in my case, you can turn off this option if you want, or just press not for 3 seconds, just press for a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 6 seconds you should press the power key, and here you'll see the power off menu. Just to turn off the device, you should click here twice and you'll power off your phone. So that's it. As can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.